Great music deserves a great player. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best MP3 music players of 2026, featuring top picks for sound quality, battery life, storage, and value. Let's get started. Number 5. MECHEN M30. The MECHEN M30 proves that you do not need to spend a fortune to experience genuinely impressive audio quality. At first glance, it looks like a simple portable music player with a straightforward design, but once you start listening, it quickly reveals why it has earned such a loyal following among music enthusiasts. What makes the M30 stand out is its focus on sound above everything else. Instead of trying to function like a smartphone packed with distractions, it concentrates on delivering a pure listening experience. The aluminum body feels sturdy and well built in the hand, giving the player a premium feel that inspires confidence from the moment you pick it up. The real magic begins when you load high-quality music files. Thanks to its dedicated digital-to-analog converter and advanced audio processing, songs sound cleaner, richer, and more detailed than they typically do on a smartphone. Vocals become more natural, instruments gain better separation, and subtle details hidden within recordings suddenly become easier to hear. Whether you enjoy MP3 files or prefer lossless formats such as FLAC, WAV, and DSD, the M30 handles them with ease. Battery life is another strong point. With roughly 25 hours of playback on a single charge, you can enjoy several days of listening before reaching for a charger. Storage is equally generous, arriving with 64 GB included and supporting expansion up to 256 GB for larger music collections. The display and interface are fairly basic by modern standards, and organizing music may require a little extra effort. However, if your priority is outstanding sound rather than flashy features, those compromises are easy to overlook. For listeners who want an affordable, distraction-free music player that delivers surprisingly refined audio performance, the MECHEN M30 remains an excellent choice. Number 4. FiiO JM21. The FiiO JM21 is one of those music players that instantly feels more advanced than its price suggests. From the moment you pick it up, the slim design and premium construction create a strong first impression, but the real story begins once you start listening. Unlike traditional MP3 players, the JM21 runs on Android 13, giving you the flexibility to install popular streaming services while still enjoying a dedicated music-focused device. Navigation feels smooth and responsive thanks to the powerful Snapdragon 680 processor, making everyday use refreshingly effortless. Audio performance is where this player truly shines. Equipped with dual premium digital-to-analog converters and a fully balanced audio architecture, the JM21 delivers a sound signature that feels clean, spacious, and highly detailed. Vocals are crisp, instruments occupy their own space, and low frequencies remain controlled without overpowering the rest of the mix. Whether you're listening to acoustic recordings, orchestral pieces, or modern pop tracks, the presentation feels engaging and refined. The amplifier section is equally impressive, providing enough power to drive both sensitive earphones and demanding over-ear headphones. Multiple gain settings allow you to fine-tune performance depending on your equipment. Wireless listeners are not left behind either. High-quality Bluetooth support helps preserve audio quality, making wireless listening surprisingly enjoyable. Battery life reaches around 12.5 hours, which is more than enough for a full day of uninterrupted music. The only limitation is that its memory capacity is designed primarily for music rather than heavy multitasking. Still, that is exactly the point. The FiiO JM21 focuses on delivering exceptional audio, and it accomplishes that remarkably well. Number 3. HiBy R4. The HiBy R4 stands out immediately thanks to its bold and futuristic design. While many music players look plain and forgettable, the R4 feels unique and purpose-built for serious listeners. It has personality, and thankfully, the performance matches the appearance. At the heart of the device is a sophisticated quad digital-to-analog converter configuration that brings impressive clarity and separation to your music. The difference becomes noticeable almost immediately. Vocals sound more lifelike, instruments occupy distinct positions within the soundstage, and complex tracks feel organized rather than crowded. Every recording gains a greater sense of depth and realism. HiBy has also paid close attention to audio processing. Different file types receive dedicated handling to ensure the best possible playback quality. Whether you listen to lossless audio files or high-resolution recordings, the R4 consistently delivers a polished and engaging listening experience. Performance is another area where the player excels. Powered by a Snapdragon 665 processor and Android 12, navigating menus, managing libraries, and streaming music feels smooth and responsive. Popular music applications run comfortably, making the transition from smartphone listening surprisingly easy. One of the biggest strengths of the R4 is its amplifier section. It offers enough power to drive a wide range of earphones and full-sized headphones while maintaining a warm, rich presentation that remains comfortable during extended listening sessions. Battery life averages around 11 hours, which is respectable for a player with this level of performance. While the software occasionally shows minor quirks, the outstanding sound quality easily outweighs those small imperfections. For listeners who value customization, powerful audio performance, and immersive sound, the HiBy R4 is an exceptionally compelling option. Number 2. Fiio M23. The Fiio M23 is a serious music player built for listeners who want far more than what a smartphone can deliver. From the moment you start using it, the focus on sound quality becomes obvious. Every element of its design is centered around creating a premium listening experience without distractions. At the core of the M23 is a flagship-grade audio system that produces exceptional detail, clarity, and balance. Songs feel more open and immersive, with vocals positioned naturally and instruments separated with remarkable precision. Instead of sounding compressed or crowded, recordings gain space and depth, allowing you to hear subtle details that often go unnoticed on ordinary devices. One of the biggest strengths of the M23 is its powerful amplifier section. It has more than enough output to drive demanding headphones with ease, making it an excellent choice for audio enthusiasts who already own quality gear. Even at higher listening levels, the sound remains clean, controlled, and free from harshness. Another standout feature is its desktop mode. When connected to external power, the player can operate without relying heavily on the battery, effectively transforming into a compact desktop audio system. This adds flexibility for users who split their listening time between home and travel. Battery performance is equally impressive, offering long listening sessions along with fast charging support. The build quality feels premium throughout, with a solid chassis and refined design that reflects its flagship status. While it is larger and heavier than some competitors, the performance easily justifies the size. For listeners seeking reference-level sound, outstanding power, and advanced customization options, the Fiio M23 is an exceptional choice. Number 1. Astell and Kern SR35. Taking the top spot is the Astell and Kern SR35, a digital audio player that perfectly balances premium sound quality, elegant design, and everyday usability. This is the kind of device that reminds you why dedicated music players still matter in a world dominated by smartphones. The SR35 delivers a listening experience that feels incredibly refined. Its advanced quad digital-to-analog converter architecture creates outstanding separation, detail, and realism. Vocals sound intimate and expressive, instruments are presented with remarkable accuracy, and background details emerge with impressive clarity. Rather than simply making music louder, the SR35 makes it feel more alive. One of its greatest strengths is consistency. Whether you're listening through high-end wired headphones or quality wireless earphones, the player maintains a polished and engaging presentation. Every genre benefits from its balanced and natural sound signature, making long listening sessions genuinely enjoyable. Battery life is another major advantage. With up to 20 hours of playback, the SR35 easily handles extended travel, daily commuting, and marathon listening sessions without constantly searching for a charger. Integrated wireless connectivity also allows convenient music streaming while maintaining the flexibility of local high-resolution audio playback. The device itself feels every bit as premium as its performance suggests. The compact design, excellent build quality, and intuitive interface create a seamless user experience that feels both modern and sophisticated. Of course, this is not a product aimed at casual listeners. To fully appreciate its capabilities, quality headphones and high-resolution music are highly recommended. However, for those who truly value exceptional audio, the Astell and Kern SR35 offers one of the most rewarding listening experiences available today, making it a deserving number 1 pick. Those were our top 5 MP3 music players of 2026. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and buying guides.